welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create Facebook group. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Facebook, and then you need to click on your profile picture on the top right. Here you need to click on groups, and then you need to click on this plus icon and click on create a group. And here you can name your group. So I'm going to name it. So let me select news. So it is a random name I'm adding. You can choose, and then you simply need to choose a privacy. You want to make a public group or private. So I want to make public group and click on done. So here you can see that members and visitor can post in the community. Admin can review first time participant. Click on done and click on create group. So it will take few seconds. Okay, and here if you want you can add your friends to your group. So it is up to you that if you want to add any person or not, then you need to click on next. Here you need to add cover photo of your group, then you need to click on next. Here you need to describe your group. So I'm adding a random detail. Click on next again. So choose call of your group. So if you want you can choose buy and sell, promote business. So it is up to you. So I want to continue later. Click on confirm. So here you can see that my group is created. So this is the complete process how you can create group on Facebook. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.